Hey friends, welcome back to my studio. I'm going to paint a frog in a tub with a rubber ducky on its head. I think it's going to be really cute. I'm going to paint it small on a 5" by 5" cradled wood panel from US Art Supply, 1.5" thick. I've got clear gesso on it. I'm going to use pretty much primary colors. We'll go over those in a minute. Let's have some fun. Let's set the table. I'm using sort of primary colors. This is a cad yellow medium hue. They're all Liquitex. They're all basics except for one. I'll let you know which one. So cad yellow medium hue, Quinacridone magenta. The Phthalo blue green shade is a heavy body. It's a primary blue, PB 15. Mars black and titanium white. I am using a 1/2" angle brush from Royal and Langnickel. It's their Moderna line. So how do I know what colors to use? Well, now let's start here. I licensed two of the duck and the frog. So I purchased a license for it, but the license doesn't include distribution. So I can't show you the reference photo. But I did do a screenshot a little bit in the time lapse, but maybe it would be easier here if I can get it square. I'm on my tippy toes. Hopefully one of those, in case you want to use that. So I'm using primary colors. It's really all you need. You don't need to buy, it's fun to buy other colors. Like I have bright aqua green, and I don't know if I can quite mix it. It might be because I just don't have quite the right colors. It's white and something, whatever PG7 is. We could Google it. Okay, so how do I know what I want to do? Well, the frog's going to be green. The duck's going to be yellow. The frog's going to have orange fingers. I think they do sometimes. It does in the reference photo, but I don't know if that was enhanced or if it really has orange fingers. So I thought, okay, how about, since the orange fingers are down here, how about an orangey brown background? So then I made a decision. And I also know, like, this is a tub, so I'm going to paint it, kind of a blue aqua color. I mean, it's not going to really say tub, it's going to just say, you'll see when I paint it, it'll just be color with shadow. And then blue, I guess I knew this was going to be blue. So another reason to use orange is blue and orange are complements. So that's how I make decisions, you know. I want the duck to stand out, I want the frog to stand out. I mean, values do the work, but in this case, I also want them to be different colors. I also think I'm going to put, when this dries enough, like some bubble type looking circles in the background. Okay. I think that sets the table. I'm going to work on the aqua color. So Phthalo blue green shade, it's a really strong color. It stains. I think you probably can't tell. Plus it's also stuck in the ferrule, but it stains brushes. It's such a strong color. Black's a really strong color too. So just a little phthalo blue. Start with the yellow. And then just add a little bit of phthalo blue. Oh, like when I mixed this color, I had too much black in it. And so it was greener. I just took a chunk of it off and put it on my paper towel because I had way too much black in it, and then started again so I could get more of a rusty brown color, almost a raw sienna color. Okay guys, I'll be back in a bit. say, I wanted to pop in with a couple comments. Okay, let's start here, I think. This is a 5 by 5 inch panel. It would be easier 8 by 8, and I think it would take me the same amount of time because I'm using this little #1 round from Princeton to do the eye, to get the little edge on the plastic beak on the rubber ducky, you know, get the skinny lines. If your lines get too fat, after it dries, you can come back with white or another color and skinny it back up. Why did I put purple in the eyes? It may get covered up, but purple and yellow are complements. Blue and orange are complements. So I've been working, gosh, an hour and a half, and all I got done was the ducky and this. It's okay. Sometimes it looks like it should be a lot quicker. Like I kept playing with blending the yellows, putting a little orange in there, putting the white highlights, having a little reflective light over here. I think I need to kind of step back from it. I think I've got good glow on the rubber ducky. Part of that comes from the contrast of the background. Okay, let's just do a screenshot too. I'll put a little highlight in the eye. All right, a screenshot, I suppose that would be here. But when your color's so smooth, it can take, hang on. Okay, yesterday here in Omaha, the humidity was 11%. It is so dry. Okay, screenshot. So I had to take a little cough break there. And then on the fingers, I'm just finding where the orange is, and maybe the lightest orange. Except for this one, I need it to be darker, so I just painted that one brown. Okay, and then there's the eyes and the mouth. A lot of times I'll draw a line and then paint it out, but I've got it in there if I need it, kind of thing. Okay, I just wanted to pop in. Oh, I was gonna maybe do, and I also was using this brush. I don't know, it's a round, a little thicker, holds a little more paint. It has glitter. I don't know what the brand is. Probably a craft brush, probably from Michael's. Okay, maybe we could do this a little bit. I'm gonna grab some water. Maybe I'll use this light orange. You could use matte medium too to make it more transparent. That could be a really good idea. So I was thinking, I probably didn't want to, well, it's so thin. Just start working on some of the bubbles. You could start with dark, that might be easier too. And if I mess up, I can come back. I've got my dark and my orange, I can come back and fix them. Well, maybe I'll just fill that one in. I didn't really want to, but. And just see how it dries. My light is coming from top left. You can tell by the duck. Maybe not do the whole circle on that one. Let it dry. And then I don't know if that one got big enough. But I think one over here. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll be back in a bit. Hey guys, I'm calling it done. This is just fun. It makes me giggle. Let's see. Really fun. They aren't exact complements, but orange and blue. This is a light blue. This has some browns in it, and then I've got a little bit of hints of purple and the yellow, so that's fun. The bubbles are really simple. What else? I really can't think of anything else. It just took me a while because a little brush takes longer. Gosh, I don't know. At least 3 hours. Maybe 4. Do a screenshot here if I can get it square. I don't know if that's square. I'll see if I get up on my tippy toes. I don't know if that helps either. Okay, then we'll kind of do a tour. I love the eyes. And I left the purple, some of the purple. I did put some black towards the bottom and towards the center. So black here, black down there. It's not a real bright purple. Boy, this almost looks like a bubble. I really have that toe glowing. Okay guys, let me know if you give this a try. It's so fun to hang out with you. I couldn't be a full-time artist without all of you. Great big happy art hugs, and I hope to chat with you soon. Bye guys.